got to come to the waterfall. We got to go to the illegal spot. We got kicked out of the top. We weren't supposed to go up there. JB almost died.
Oh, JB!
Which was not cool. All right, you want to race, big boy? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'm just better in every way imaginable. Guapo! We go to Waterfall with JB.
He doesn't zoom out.
Yeah, my POV's fixed, so you won't see the helmet in it anymore. Hopefully it stays on. But yeah, Waterfall, it's like a 45-minute bike ride. It's a long journey to get there, but it's gonna be super sick when we do it. Look at who it is. It's that brother, let's go. We gotta get gas, Picari sweat, buns, and then we go.
Right. Oh, they look so cute and happy. Hi, puppies. Oh, you're so cute.
We at the 7-Eleven. Kumusta, guapo? Ayos lang? Ayos lang? Yeah, so pogi. So pogi. So pogi. Hey, careful, my friend. He's bakla. Yeah. Careful. Careful. I need a bun and a Picari sweat. We're gonna go this way. Freaking. Look at that. That is eek. Oh, Lord. Amount of sugar that I'm going to consume on this trip is insane.
That's a Picari sweat?
Yeah, per 100 milliliters, it's 6.5 grams of sugar. This is a 900 milliliter, so that's a aggressive amount of sugar. I'm too blonde for math. Yeah, yeah, buddy. Oh, okay, it's fine.
Right out the oven, bro.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, take one.
Oh my god. Oh, it's so hot. That's so pokey. And I should have got one of these. I made a mistake. Salamat po, Jamar.
Salamat, sir.
Salamat, I love you. This is gas.
Yeah, boy!
Oh my gosh! Not pokey! Like, bro. Oh yeah, this is where it starts to get hectic, bro. You gotta be so careful, man. You guys haven't seen this. This is not Naga, this is Pili. So it's pretty sick over here. Out for the, oh my, okay. Watch out, brother. Holy. Alright, we're making a turn. Oh my gosh. I don't know what's about to go down here. Look at that, it's so pretty. This is what Texas looks like, right? So many mountains. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know that was a thing. Well, holy sh! I don't know what that was, but that was really loud. What was that? We're on like a little path now. We just took a right back there. This is getting rural. Alright. What up, guapo? Whoa, dude. This is so freaking sick. Oh. What up, guapo? ¿Cómo está, guapo? That's so mean to have him like that. Got speed bumps. All right, we're on the dirt now, son. Oh, now we're back on the, golly. We made it. Let's go. We made it, baby. Dude,
That was an adventure.
that was a whole adventure.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
I like the part where we were riding on a sidewalk for like 2 miles.
Dude, yeah, that was, yeah, that wasn't sketchy at all.
Oh, bro.
Whoa, dude. We're freaking,
Here, dude.
we're out here, dude. My hair looks super wonderful, I know. But you're gonna start walking, keep on walking. Welcome to the Philippines. ¿Cómo está, guapo? So pogi, so pogi. These stairs, dude. It looks like it'd be slippery, but it's not. But I'm not gonna trust it. Whoa. They have huts out here. Oh my. Dude. This is so wild. Oh my gosh. Dude, we did it. Oh my. We're here. This is yeah, it's crazy. What up? Yeah, it's like grip tape, bro. Guess we'll go through here. Oh my god. Alright, up this we go. Got little footholds in it. And now we're up here. Oh, there's a party. Whoa, dude. Whoa, dude. Yo, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. This is wild. What up? Do it!
All my friends went to the cockfight.
Oh.
A little group photo action with the homies. Let's go.
Thanks for one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, flex
Good. Yeah. Alright, I'm getting in now. It's so cold, bro. My god. Alright. Oh, it drops off right there. Okay, it feels nice. I've never even been to like a cool waterfall like in the States or anything. So this is an experience for me. Let's go to the top. Is this stuff?
Be careful.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, yo, I'm out right now. Oh yeah, I made it, but I can't see. This guy made it up though.
Yeah, bro.
He made it up. What's up?
Here. That's okay. But you look up there. Okay, here we go.
Oh my god, he's insane.
This is what peak performance looks like.
Yes, sir. Oh my. Oh, that's a lot of water. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, boy. That actually feels so nice. You okay? You okay? That was deep. Oh, it's deep? Yeah. Okay.
I hit my back on a rock.
You okay though? Yeah. You good? Okay.
I hope I wasn't filming.
I got the after splash, yeah. We're gonna go up now. We're gonna go up like a couple levels, see if we can make it to the top of the waterfall. I don't really know if that's even possible, but only way to find out is to try. Yeah, we're all the way up here. This does not look that high, but this is very high up here. I don't know if my microphone is still good. If it's not, I'm very sorry. I tried to get all the water out of it and I left my phone in the moped, so we're just gonna keep on trekking. Yeah, this is a big... Look at this little cave, dude. What is this? Does it keep going or no?
No.
No? Oh my gosh. It's very dark in here. Holy moly.
Like when I was riding the bike on the way here, I was riding this kind of shit like this.
No way.
I'm not joking. Yeah, we could see that lake from the bike.
That's not the coast, right? That's not.
Oh, whoa. Is that a lake?
Yeah.
And then there's the volcano. Dude, that volcano is huge.
Yeah, not this road.
We're going up even more. We're at the top. Let's go.
Not the thick suede.
I'm not gonna try and look too far over the edge.
Yeah.
They have a funnel. Or like a...
Oh, whoa, they do.
Oh,
So it's fake.
they made a funnel.
It's all
So it
fake.
pours off perfectly. So
It's
it looks
not
even more
real.
beautiful from below.
Wow. That's pretty cool though. It's all fake. I'm gonna let, nope, I'm good.
Oh, JB!
Jeez. Yeah, no.
You almost watched me die. Are you recording?
Yeah, I got it. Dude, you're so far out there.
Closest I've ever been to dying, I think.
Yeah.
Luckily, it's not slippery. 'Cause
Yeah.
I think I would have slipped off.
Yeah, I think so too. I got it though, so that's good.
Yeah, sick.
Whoa. It's a coconut farm? That's pretty sick. That's crazy. Well, that was super cool. We're gonna go back down now, maybe get in the water again. The descent begins now. Found another spot on the way down. And then there's the waterfall from earlier, so. This is pretty wild though. Dude, this is insane. Oh my gosh. Daddy's swimming.
It's only 4 feet.
Okay. It was illegal to go up there, I guess. They came and found us. They were like, yo, can't be up there.
Oh,
So, I mean, I guess we made it through, but we come down now. Oh yeah. This is the part that you walk up to. It looks pretty sick. It's 14 feet right here. Doesn't, yeah. It's like grip tape. Nalalata Falls was a stressful mission. We got to go to the illegal spot at the waterfall because we got kicked out of the top. We weren't supposed to go up there. JB almost died, which was not cool. And yeah, 45-minute drive from CWC. Pretty sick spot. I'm sure we're gonna go to more waterfalls. What's up? What's up? What up? The homies. The homies are coming with us. Back up to the top.
I'm gonna follow you on Instagram. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have Telegram? Do you have Telegram or something?
No, just Instagram.
Okay.
He has OnlyFans.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah, yeah.
I want to collab. Emma!
Shot? No shot.
No shot.
No shot. No shot.
That's it!